All right, this is the startup procedure for the stream sound. First thing on the checklist, which we follow as normal, is the Chromebook and the password's right next to it, so the EBC staff. So this is a Chromebook, and let's go ahead and open it. So once you've got the Chromebook open, you're gonna go to YouTube if it's not already up, once you've logged in, and then you'll go to your videos and live. And then if there's a live video, then that'll be right here. So the test stream for practice is gonna be different. So you can always check with the live stream video person for that. The next thing on here is just turning on the live stream soundboard, which is this guy, as usual. Buttons all the way back here. So that's on. And then the last thing is bring the band iPads. So these are our iPads. You'll notice one of these is slightly smaller. This guy, it's got a little bit of a blue tint to it and it's slightly smaller. We prefer to use the bigger normal ones unless we need this smaller one, in which case it does work. So just make sure that you grab as many iPads as there are band members and take them down to them on the stage. So on the checklist, first thing under check settings for is the user layer configuration. So the way that you configure this user layer is you go over here. On this screen, it says fader routing as a bottom button. That's always gonna be this guy right here. So if you click that, screen pops up here. And then the main thing to check is that you're not accidentally editing one of these. So channels 1 through 12, 13 through 24, 25 through 36, 37 through auxiliary, then buses, and then user layers. So you wanna make sure user 1 is selected, and then we wanna make sure that the left is selected here. So this is left, this is center, this is right over here. So we wanna make sure left is selected. So if for a specific Sunday, we are having a baptism, baptistry is on here. If we're not having a baptism, we can just drag and swipe on the touchscreen, and then that disappeared from this channel. If you want to put it back, you can drag it back, you can drag it anywhere, and it pops back up over here. The next thing is checking vocal channel presets. Right now we've got Ayana on this, and this says library in parentheses. What we're gonna do, so you can go home on the screen, and then on these physical buttons, there's library over here. Just make sure you've got that mic selected, whatever mic you're changing the preset for. So this was Ayana, let's say Maria's singing this next Sunday. So I wanna select the red mic, vocal mic number 2. I wanna hit library, physical buttons, and then channel presets. So you click that twice, and then it's in alphabetical order. So we were Ayana, we're looking for Maria. So you can just drag the bar over here until you find Maria. Click on Maria, and then you hit load. We want to say confirm, so it says channel 2 Ayana will be updated, and it'll update to Maria. We say confirm, and now the screen here says Maria.